On 30th April 2026 at 5:53 am, Mercury, the planet of intelligence, communication and business, is entering in Aries, a fiery and aggressive sign ruled by Mars. This transit can make you fast, speak boldly, but also make impulsive mistakes. So the big question is, will this transit bring success or problems in your life? Watch till the end because I will reveal detailed predictions for all the 12 moon sign plus powerful remedies. Mercury in Aries creates a combination of intelligence plus fire. This means faster decision making, bold communication, strong initiative, but also argument, harsh speech, impulsive thinking. This transit is excellent for action, but dangerous for the overreaction. Prediction for all 12 zodiac moon sign. Aries moon sign. Mercury will be in your first house. This is a powerful time for you. Your confidence, communication and personality will shine. You may start new projects, speak with authority, attract attention, but avoid ego and anger in speech. Overall, growth and confidence. Taurus moon sign. Mercury in 12th house. This may bring overthinking, hidden stress, sleep disturbances, expenses may increase. Best advice: stay calm and avoid unnecessary worries. Overall, mixed, focus on mental peace. Gemini moon sign. Mercury in your 11th house. Excellent time for gains and networking. You may earn profits, connect with influential people, fulfill desires. This is one of the best signs during this transit. Overall, gains and success. Cancer moon sign. Mercury will be in your 10th house. Career becomes more important. You may take bold decisions, get recognition, handle responsibilities, avoid arguments with seniors. Overall, career growth with pressure. Leo moon sign. Mercury will be in your 9th house. This brings luck support, travel opportunities, learning and wisdom. Great time for spiritual growth. Overall, positive and progressive. Virgo moon sign. Mercury will be in your 8th house. This is a sensitive period. You may face sudden changes, emotional stress, financial ups and downs. Avoid risky investments. Overall, challenging and stay cautious. Libra moon sign. Mercury will be in your 7th house. Focus on your relationships and partnership. You may communicate more with your partner, resolve issues or create conflicts. Avoid ego clashes. Overall, depends on communication. Scorpio moon sign. Mercury will be in your 6th house. This brings work pressure, competitions, and mental stress, but also victory over enemies. Overall, hard work leads to success. Sagittarius moon sign. Mercury will be in your 5th house. A very creative and positive time. You may enjoy romance, improve creativity, focus on education. Overall, fun and creativity and growth. Capricorn moon sign. Mercury will be in your 4th house. Focus shift to home and emotions. You may think about your family matters. Feel mentally restless. Maintain emotional balance. Overall, neutral to slightly challenging. Aquarius moon sign. Mercury will be in your 3rd house. This is a powerful placement. You may gain courage, improve communication, take bold actions. Great for business and efforts. Overall, strong positive transit. Pisces moon sign. Mercury will be in your 2nd house. Focus on money, speech, and family. You may earn well, but be careful with your words and spending. Overall, financial growth. Remedies. To reduce negative effects, chant Om Budhaya Namaha daily or on Wednesdays. Donate green items like moong dal and clothes. Control speech and anger. Practice meditation. So this was the complete prediction of Mercury transit and Aries 2026. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe. Hope you all are fine. Take care yours. God bless you all. Hare Krishna. See you in the next video.